Alan Charles Course, but that doesn't count.
Okay, now.
First, tribes, tough life. The defaults beyond the intimate tribe were violence, aversion to difference, and slavery. Superstition everywhere. Culture overcomes them partially. Rainfall agriculture, which allows loners. Irrigation agriculture, which favors community. Division of labor plus exchange and trade bring mutual cooperation even outside the tribe. The impulse is always there, though. Kill or enslave the outsider. Gradual science from Athens' compact with reason. Division of labor, trade, the mastery of knowledge plus time brought surplus, sometimes a peaceful extended order, rules diversely evolved, and the cooperation of strangers, always warring against the fierce defaults of tribalism, violence, and ignorance. No one who teaches you knows what will happen. Thank you.